Now children, small sum on trigonometry. Please be careful. Now in the figure, find the length of BC they are given, and theta. What happened? The length of AB is given as 15 centimeters. They are asking this one. Now here you have, just now I have done SOH, CAH, POA. Remember this one. Now which is suiting here? Now this is the theta, that this is given as 30 degrees. So opposite by adjacent. Opposite and adjacent. So which one among the three ratios are satisfying our condition? That is POA. That is O by A. Now POA, this is 330, is given as opposite 15 by adjacent is BC. Now how to get this value? This value can be got by 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. This is 0, 1, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 and 0. This is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Now you know that tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by 0 is 0. 1 by 1, then root 2, 1 and this one, 1 by root 3 by 2. Then here this 2 will get cancelled. That will be 1. This is 1 by 2. So root 2 will get cancelled. 1 by root 3. Then this is root 3 by 2 by 1 and it goes on. But our intention is what? Tan 30. Tan is here, 30 is here. What is the value? This is 1 by root 3 is equal to 15 by BC cross multiply. BC is equal to 15 root 3 units. So this is one more sum on trigonometry. Now let us come to polynomials. The general form of the polynomial linear equation. General form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The variables are x and y. Power of variable is 1. Therefore it is called as linear equation. You will be getting so many sums on this. Suppose they are given two sums, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now without the graph for this will be straight line and straight line. If you plot it in one graph, if there are three conditions, either the graph will be cutting each other, which is called as intersecting and it has only one solution, or the graph might be parallel. If it is parallel, it has no solution, and both the graphs might be like this. One single, it has many solutions. So this is infinite solution, this is unique solution, and this is no solutions. Take some example. Here 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Below that one more. You can take 3x plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now a1 is 3, b1 is 2, a1 is 3, b1, a2 is 3, b2 is 6, c1, c2. Now put these values. Now here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. You have to note down the values. a1 3 by a2 3 is equal to b1 2 b2 6 is equal to c1 5, here 7. Now here which is satisfying? Here this is 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So this is 3 by 3, 1 by 3, of course this is 1 is equal to 5 by 7. This is not equal. In our condition, this is not, if it is not here, condition formula is here. If it is not first one is not equal, then you can say lines are intersecting. It has unique solution. Suppose A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So this part, if it is not, you are getting the condition like this, then you can say that lines are parallel. Just go through that. Next one is all the three are equal. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This will be satisfying this one. The both the lines are same. So here it has many solutions. What you will write for that? Infinite solutions. So this is the way all this will be asked there. Be careful and do it. I think I have to close it by now. If you have any doubts, please give a call to me, and any doubt, any question, please, I will now load it down. I will send it to you through YouTube. You can clarify it. Bye. Thank you. All the best. All the best. All the best. Rock your math paper.